Alright, it's like, what time has it been? Like 6:15?
Yeah.
We're getting ready to head up. It's not, what time is it? 8:30? 8 o'clock or something? I don't know.
We didn't get a very fast start this morning. But we've got the steeple jacked up, tied down. Ready to slide some beams in as soon as we cut them out.
We're gonna go get after it. Alright, first beam's cut. Try to get some of it out of here. Let me go around the side. I think I can do it. Let me go over there. I can just pick it up. That one's kind of got you pinched there. Let me get around that side. Let me go over there. Well, I can, I think. It's got something underneath it. Crap here. You taking it that way, or what are you doing? Maybe. Yeah, we're going to set these new beams in, and then we're going to tuck point all around them and make them tight. Bolt them back to this where we can. Yeah. I don't think it'll matter. All right, we got 3 of the beams out. Supposed to be all over here. Get this last one out of here and get our new ones up here. Go get the other one. Mine end first, right?
Hold on.
Yeah, that end's the one that's bull-nosed.
So this end is...
Does it need to go up here? Or over there? Over here, right? All right, we've been arguing about this for what, a week?
Look, read this chart, dude.
Here's the chart.
Here's the chart. Unrestricted capacity. That means we can boom all the way down.
Only,
we can run the boom all the way out
you're right.
and boom all the way
we
down.
We can, but only with 550 pounds.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
if we're in the green,
we can't boom all the way down.
We can do 750 pounds.
Yeah, well, you can do more weight, but you can do less maneuverability. That's why you want it to be in the yellow, because then you can boom all the way out.
Dude, yellow is bad.
Yellow is good because it lets you do whatever you want.
No, only with 550 pounds. See, there's 3 little peoples here.
I know,
2
but
people.
Once you
3 people good, 2 people bad.
Once you put over 550 pounds, it switches into the green. No. Which is bad. No. Yes, it does. That's why when we had the beam on here, it was in the green.
No.
That's why. Dude. Look at this. Look at this. Can the camera even see how this is in the yellow? When we had the beam on here, it was green.
That means good.
And that means we couldn't boom all the way down.
So
that's why
when you're driving your car and you see a yellow light, do you stop or what?
I guess it.
Versus a green light.
You do whatever you want.
Versus a green light.
This is different. This isn't a traffic light. This is a lift.
Well, you know, when you're doing something and somebody says, "Hey, man, we're in the yellow," you're like, "Oh crap, man, that's not too good." But if they say, "Hey, we're in the green,"
all right, leave a comment.
You're like,
whether
you'll be like, "Oh, green, yeah, we're good to go."
Green doesn't let you boom all the way down. It doesn't. That's why it freaks out when you overweigh it and it's already out in the yellow zone.
I don't know what to tell you, but green is always good. Yellow bad.
Yellow's good for the lift. You want it in the yellow.
Don't want it in the yellow. Somebody that works for JLG, comment on this video and tell us
why you don't want it in the green if you want to boom all the way down.
If that is the case, you got it backwards.
Yeah, you need to switch it around.
Yeah.
I agree that it's wrong. I'm just telling you that's the way it is.
That's the way it works.
Yeah.
All right, we got our beams in. We had to do this because these things were kind of rotten on the bottom. So. I would have rather not done that, but this is our best option. So we're going to put some steel strap from up here down and into this beam. These will be bolted together, these two, and then these will be bolted into those oak legs before them. That's a wrap for today.
Yeah, we ain't lying about the time this time. It's like 8 o'clock.
Sun's about to go down, and so are we.
Yeah.
Man, my face looks red.
We were just talking about how you probably got sunburned
today. Took on some sun today.
It's because you were standing out in the basket the whole day while I was inside the steeple working.
Is that why?
Yeah.
That's a lie. All right, we got to put our stuff away and get a shower and call it for today.
I still gotta fill up my trailer with water. I'm out of water.
Nice.
I'm not even done working yet.